Biological knowledge about the brain is growing each day, but there are much more scientific articles published than a person could read. How can we automatically map this knowledge onto the brain in a comprehensive way? The Virtual Brain Knowledge Base adapter, TVBase, integrates biological knowledge to standardized 3D brain maps. Essential to TVBase is Skyview, a literature mining-derived knowledge base which contains over 30 million highly annotated scientific publications from PubMed. You can search for precise biomedical concepts like the medical subject headings of the widely used MeSH terminology. For example, instead of looking for the mere free text string Alzheimer's disease, you can use the corresponding MeSH concept. All publications matching your search query can be further statistically analyzed. This way, you can identify all anatomical terms annotated in Uberon, one of the most comprehensive anatomical ontologies today. Uberon includes over 20,000 anatomical terms, hierarchically organized by traditional anatomical classification criteria. Further, definitions, common synonyms, and multiple cross-references for each term are annotated. To link semantic concepts from neuroanatomy to a standardized 3D brain space from neuroimaging, we extracted all brain-related Uberon terms used in the literature. Applying a multi-step curation process, each anatomical Uberon term was carefully assigned to the corresponding area in the multimodal parcellation of the Human Connectome project developed by Glasser and colleagues. By bringing the semantic knowledge into the same space as the parcellated brain model, TVBase enables the analysis and comparison with additional biological data. TVBase is openly available as a Python library on the digital research infrastructure eBrains, developed by the Human Brain Project. We integrated the functionalities from Skyview and the subsequent mapping steps into an interactive Jupyter notebook. With our methodology, you can easily generate brain maps for any concept within a few seconds. As an example from clinics, we show here maps for two well-known language impairments, the Wernicke and Broca aphasia. These maps contain the information which brain regions have been most strongly associated with these syndromes in the literature. The highest relevance is correctly shown in the temporal and frontal lobe, exactly where the traditional functional language areas are located. The information of each map is based on several hundred publications. The built-in quality metrics help to assess the plausibility of the generated maps. TVBase is also interoperable with multimodal data from eBrains accessed via the Python client Zebra. For example, you can generate and inspect the density distributions of different receptor types measured in the Jülich brain. There are almost no limits to the concepts you can map. They can span from molecules to proteins, genes, pathways, biological processes, brain functions, disorders, and diseases. Our novel approach allows for real-time brain mapping of knowledge from the literature. These maps can be used to improve cutting-edge technologies of computational neuroscience, like whole brain simulations with the virtual brain and its unique mathematical ontology TVBO. This work was developed by researchers from Charité and the Berlin Institute of Health in collaboration with the Fraunhofer Institute for Scientific Computing within the European Virtual Brain Cloud Consortium.